Stop pretending traditional funding works. It's broken. Anyone who's tried to raise serious money knows the pain. Endless meetings, vague promises, invisible gates held by gatekeepers who don't care about your mission. You waste months, sometimes years, running in circles, hoping someone sees what you see. Meanwhile, your idea rots, your energy drains, and the frustration, it's crushing. The system is designed to serve itself, not you. The middlemen, the paperwork, the delays, it's a rigged game where only a few get the payoff and the rest just get the scraps. Now, imagine cutting through all that noise with something smarter, something automatic, transparent, unstoppable. Smart contracts. Not buzzwords, not overhyped tech. Real tools that can rewrite how money moves, how trust gets built, and how projects get funded. Think of smart contracts as your deal maker, your referee, your accountant, without bias, without delay. They execute exactly what they promise, instantly, no human drama. No broken promises, no last-minute bailouts, no middlemen skimming value or slowing progress. Here's the brutal truth. Relying on traditional funding isn't just slow, it's risky. Your pitch can be ignored, twisted, or stalled. Your growth plans put on hold because some investor changed their mind. Smart contracts strip all that away. You set conditions, every detail encoded and locked in. Funds release only when the milestones are hit. No wiggle room, no excuses. For founders, this means control never slips. For investors, it means protection never weakens. Everyone's on the same page every second. But don't get this twisted. Smart contracts aren't magic pixie dust. They demand precise planning from you. You have to be surgical about the terms. You must map every step, every trigger, every outcome. If you're sloppy, the contract will punish you hard. So the key is this. Design your smart contracts with the same fire you put into your startup. Think through every what if, so no one can cheat, no one can stall, and progress can't be blocked. If you want to lead, you must embrace this approach. Use smart contracts to build funding that's fast, fair, and fearless. Drop the waiting, the begging, the uncertain promises. Make your funding move as fast as your ideas. And here's a killer tip. Combine smart contracts with a community that actually gets you. Investors who are ready to back you not because of buzzwords or hype, but because they can verify, track, and trust the results instantly. That's a game changer. Also, stop thinking in old frameworks. Funding isn't about fitting into someone else's mold. It's about flipping the mold entirely. Use smart contracts to connect directly to people who share your vision, not those stuck chasing status or tradition. Don't wait for permission. Set your own rules. Fund your own way. Look, the real power here isn't just in technology. It's in what it unlocks for you. Freedom from endless gatekeeping. Freedom to take risks your gut screams you should. Freedom to be the founder who controls their destiny and the investor who actually knows where every cent goes. This is a new era. Either get ahead or stay stuck in the mud with the rest. So here's the order. Start now. Learn smart contracts until you own them. Build them into your funding plans so tightly no one can break the flow. Cut out the middlemen who slow you down. Find investors who demand smart contracts because they don't buy promises. They buy results. Make your funding process transparent, automatic, unstoppable. Make every dollar earned dependent on real progress, not empty words. Stop letting others decide if your dream lives or dies. Take the power back with smart contracts. Fund smarter, faster, and with absolute clarity. Nothing else moves as fast as your ambition should. This is how you win. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.